man.
Check it out.
Yes, sir. Look at this. Thank you, Jack. You're the parts angel.
Thank you. You know what inspired me?
What? Here we go. God bless you, mate.
Take care.
Hey guys, and welcome to MinkMood. In this video I'm gonna be showing how to perform a basic oil change to my 1984 R107. Get the owner's manual, and within the owner's manual check two things. The first one, the amount of oil you will have to buy, and the second, what type of oil should I get? So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy. I hope you learned something. And basically, what's next? We're gonna let the car idle for a couple of minutes, and we're gonna check the level of oil. It should be in between the min and the max lines, and that would be it. Do not spend a lot of money taking this car to a dealership to do an oil change. You can easily do it at home. So until next time, happy wrenching!